Good morning. It's been a while since I've done an arborist video, so I thought I'd do one today. This is the tree we're doing that's just behind me. Not particularly tall, but it's wide, and we've got a lot of obstacles behind it. So we've got two sheds, and annoyingly the shed has got that awful plastic roofing in it, which is really friable. So it's not a particularly tall tree. In fact, I would say it's probably wider than it's tall, which brings its own issues, particularly with rigging, because we haven't got a really good high anchor point to swing stuff around. So our plan is everything at the front here, we're going to zip out over the shed, and I'll get some footage of that in a minute.
It's more the shape, I think. It's just this V. Until we've got everything gone out the front. Come on, Jared. Right, you hold it there.
So good morning, start of day two. Doesn't look that different from yesterday. So we're just setting up the zip line to take off this side here. Having spent a day either rigging out or zip lining, the tree's still really tangled, which is making life quite difficult. So the consequence is we can only zip off small stuff. Because of the angles involved from our main anchor, which is up in that clump there, we've put a redirect at the back, so the zip line is now in a straight line. So hopefully now when this piece goes off, it won't drop very much and it will just swing straight down. Like so. Now, because this one is a straight piece and it's not tangled, we're going for a slightly bigger one on this one, and hopefully it'll work. So good morning, welcome to day 3. Welcome to the tree of endless despair. So after 2 days of rigging and zip lining, we've still got about a third of the canopy left. The tree's tangled nature has meant that we have got lots of issues with branches breaking off as we're rigging out other bits. So we're having to make sure that each branch is free and not tangled before we rig it out, which is really slowing things down. So we're just setting up the rigging line. We're using this branch here as a redirect, which is a craning point straight over the only available space to drop the branches, and then we're putting the big pulley on that branch there. Good morning, welcome to day 4, and as I look behind, we've got no canopy. Hooray! So this morning we've got this to bring down. So Alex is going to go up and just take all the stubs off and get it flush to the trunk, and then we've just got the pleasure of disking the tree down. Each disc then needs to be cut in half, and then we can wheel it out down the track on a sack truck. What was that? Zoom in on your little happy smiling face.
Too early.